VaderVengeance. Welcome back to my moving vlog part 3. In the last part, if you remember, we just packed up the truck, moved to the new place. So in this part, I'm going to show you a little bit of shopping, unpacking, and organizing. Hope you enjoy! The first thing I'm getting at Walmart is these Kiss brand nails. I've been looking for this brand for about 3 months now, and I'm so glad Walmart has them. Oh my god, you guys, so like everybody else, I've been watching Get Organized, and of course everybody loves the Container Store, but here at Walmart they literally have some of the same types of containers that they have at the Container Store. I just got super excited. I'm definitely gonna buy some of these for the pantry. Oh my god. I don't even know what containers to buy, you guys. There are so many here and they're a little bit cheaper than the actual Container Store. I don't know, I think I'm just gonna try it out. So I've been watching a lot of fall decor videos on YouTube and I see these everywhere, and Walmart has them for literally $7. This is the cart so far. I had to fight tooth and nail to get these mirrors, but I got 3 mirrors for $22 each, just because online something like this would go for like $400 on Wayfair, and I love to save money, so this is what we're getting. As much as it pains me to say this, I will be holding off on Halloween decor shopping. That will be another video. And also the 99-cent store has these for literally $1. It's 10:30 p.m. I'm exhausted. Just got back from Walmart, had a little break for dinner, and now the real work starts with all the organizing. Good morning, everyone. It is the next day. It's 9 a.m. and obviously I did not finish doing what I was supposed to do last night, and there's still clutter everywhere. But don't worry, today I'm gonna fix everything. I'm gonna unpack all the boxes, maybe put some furniture together, and then we'll see how it looks. So one thing that did happen last night, the fridge started leaking. It is a brand new fridge and it already started leaking. Organizing an entire apartment by yourself is a pretty exhausting task, but I like to break it down by first taking everything out of the boxes, putting each box in the room it's supposed to go in, and then doing something I call organization light, which is pretty much just taking everything out of the boxes and just putting it in like random drawers and stuff. So I'll show you how I did that in the kitchen here. I just took everything out of the box, and then it looks pretty disgusting right now, but I shoved everything into this drawer. And what I'm gonna do later is just measure these, go to the Container Store and see which containers I could get to actually organize these. But it does help because now at least everything's out of the boxes. This just kind of separates it a little bit, so you have each area that you can work with one at a time. Hey guys, so it is the second full day in this house, and what I did last night before going to bed was Swiffer both of the bathrooms, added these rugs, added towels, and then today I'm just going to try and finish the kitchen and do the closet and show you guys that. So what did end up happening is I got these packages. They were so heavy. It was a dresser, 4 chairs, and a bench, and I took them upstairs and decided not to do any work anymore after that because they were super heavy. So now I'm actually going to sweep the floor and do the closets in the kitchen and show you how that turns out. is 3 in the morning. I just finished my closet, the guest room closet, the bathroom, and some of the kitchen, and I'm going to sleep. I'll do the rest tomorrow. So today is Tuesday. We moved in on Saturday. We still have a bunch of stuff to do, like the kitchen, but I'm gonna get it done today and I'll show you guys what happens. I stuck on these kiss nails and I do not know how I'm going to assemble furniture with these guys on. It's all done, guys. A 30 shoe stand. This is how everything looks right now with me putting things into random drawers, but I'm going to organize it. 3 days later, I was finally able to finish the kitchen. Just a little tour here. I have Moose's food. Then under the sink, all my cleaning supplies. Up here, I have wine glasses, tumblers, and then shot glasses. In the drawer, I have supplies just like scissors and tape. Then in the second drawer, we have kitchen utensils that won't fit in that little glass thing over there, and oven mitts. Then down here I have the cat's food because Moose loves to open drawers like these. Like, he will just open the cabinets and go in there and eat all the food, so I had to put all of these in a drawer that could close and he can't get into. Then up here, I didn't really know what to do with this space because there's not a lot of space up there, but I put my saran wrap and aluminum foil. I have a little apron up here. On this side, we have more mugs. I have a little storage here for coffee and tea. And then down here, just regular glasses. And then, as I said before, I have this glass vase that I use as storage for spatulas and stuff that I use on the stove. Then over here, I didn't really put anything in there yet. Under here, I have pots and pans. This used to be a little shoe storage holder, but I just cleaned it off and figured since there's no drawer here, I would use it to separate different levels. So over here is the brand new fridge, but I hate how you can't really get into it. We have basically nothing in the fridge except condiments and a little milk. I'm gonna have to go grocery shopping later. Up here we have this container that I got from Walmart after watching Get Organized once. Then over here we have baking supplies. It is really high up, you guys, so of course I did have to stand on the counter to get everything up there. This, we don't really have a pantry, so I'm using this as a pantry for now. I have more container store containers here, and then this is just random miscellaneous snacks. On this side, I have paper plates at the top, plates and bowls over here, and then bowls that I use every day and plates that I use every day. Then over here is the coffee bar. I don't really drink coffee that much, but it's super cute, especially, you know, fall, gotta be basic. And then of course these glass holders for flour, brown sugar, and rice. And then down here we have all of our utensils. I have a ton of them. And then we are going to get a spice rack, but for now I just put these spices in little containers here. Over here is just general Tupperware and the blender. And last but not least, under here we have the bottom of the blender and some cooking bowls. That's pretty much it. Yes, it took me 3 whole days to organize the kitchen, but just look at it. It's so organized and beautiful, and I wouldn't change a thing right now. I know in a few weeks I'm gonna be back here getting more containers from the container store, but for now, that's it. I'm gonna end this part here and then show you guys more furniture tomorrow. Thanks.